Hi there. I was just given this particular brush and I want to actually have a chat about it because it's quite popular in Malaysia. And this sort of brush doesn't suit everybody. We use this as an exfoliating brush. So if you've got a bit of dandruff or, flaky scalp, this is an excellent brush to loosen it up. Now, it's not suitable for all types of hair, so what you use to comb your hair will give you the result, and also concerned about your scalp therapy, because we're all about scalp therapy. Something like this, for people with fine hair, this actually could be doing more damage, because it's actually pulling your hair out at the same time. Because as you can see, the bristles are quite close, and it is plastic, so it actually could be more damaging. So once again, this sort of brush we use to exfoliate. If you've got short hair, yeah, you can just brush it, but I tend to not like to recommend this instead of a nice comb if you've got longer hair, because this could be damaging the roots of your hair. Just be aware of that.